Part 2, how to fix an intermittent turn signal on a Dodge Sprinter. So take a drill bit, drill a hole right there, and then pop a zip tie in. And you got to turn the wheel upside down to get to it, but don't turn the wheel while the engine is off. Do it very slowly, otherwise you can overfill your power steering. And you'll want to inspect these pins for black marks, and then just take a paper towel and kind of try to wipe a little bit of that crap off, because that can overheat your relays and blow fuses, or just give you more intermittent operation. So I've already done this, but I'm just demonstrating. They look okay. Okay, now when you're drilling, you don't want any of the plastic to fall into these pins, so you probably want to remove this bottom bolt or blow it out. Okay. Pop that in there. That's how it should be. All the way in there, okay? Hopefully you can see that. Is it really dark? Sorry about that. There you go, YouTubers. Don't break it. Like I almost did right there. I'm just gonna put it on, see if I can get one more for good measure. This is a very important fuse box. Very nice. Alright, there you go, YouTubers. So it's one little Phillips bolt right here and here to get this plastic shroud back on this thing. And then it's one bolt down here. And be careful, whenever you're doing this, make sure that this doesn't get bolted to there. It's easy to do, and it looks like it goes there, but no, it goes behind this protected thing because it's a red wire, it's a positive wire. So don't bolt the red wire to there. All right, enjoy, YouTubers.